It's Saturday, we're back at the Frog Follies. Steve went and got a trailer because he went and got an Impala. 72, radio delete. Let me get the keys. Poor little carburetor on there is like, dude, I've not run in 40 years. Leave me alone. I think just as soon as that thing runs for 15-20 minutes, it's probably going to be fine. Right on there, baby. These were some of the smoothest riding cars ever. This whole era for GM. Look at this radio delete.
I think it's touching.
Making a road trip to Dayton. Look at that grill. I'm sorry, you guys. He's like, we really need a minivan. This is atrocious. Poor little guy. Oh, big guy. Nice butt shot there. Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
Do we have an issue with a tire?
No, we're fine. We're fine.
We're driving down the interstate. We're driving down the interstate. We noticed a slight vibration. I was like, it could be just the road surface. After a while, he's like, no, it's smoking. So now, everybody around us is doing about 140. And we're doing 18. This is how we die. Oh, I feel good. I think our prospects are good, Steve.
Yeah, well, I hope so.
We're driving like... Say what?
Now we got these orange barrels. Somehow we're going to have to figure out how to negotiate.
This is so bummed. I think we can do these two right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. We got it.
We're 1.3 miles away.
Which side do we go on?
I don't freaking know.
I stand behind your decision, whichever one you make. Yeah, we're gonna hit some here. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that. Go ahead and that.
As long as the car's okay.
Yeah.
I'm hitting it.
I think we're okay. How you feel, Steve?
Oh, I'm fine.
Is it just breaking away?
Oh, it's just done.
Those of you who are watching, if this is the end of the video, we're dead. If not, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Dude, we got this.
Oh, we're good. That's the exit.
New Palestine. As featured in the quatrains by Nostradamus, the New Palestine will be run by he with a blue turban.
What?
I don't know.
Dude, I think that tire is coming off.
If it comes off, we're totally cool.
Yeah, we could just ratchet strap the axle up.
Yeah. Not like we haven't rigged things once or twice. Yeah, people stopped at the Culver's, and I've normally had really good luck. And the burger was just weird and bad and disappointing. We could still die at any moment, Steve.
You're not supposed to bring that up.
Embrace the terror. Where are you trying to go?
That Speedway. No, we're gonna.
What about that one?
We're gonna go this one.
Okay.
I didn't know.
I was like, there's a Speedway over here and over there.
Yeah, I didn't know there's the dual Speedway.
That's kind of weird. All right. Now we'll go ahead and... Ooh, carpet values. Like, the carpet.
This is what we needed.
Man, it's a shame it's a Saturday. We could have taken advantage of the deals. I'm going to put this in the temporary trash can back here. So everything looks all fine and good over here. That one looks good.
Actually, to be honest, I was more worried about the car bouncing up and down and possibly hitting this fender right here.
Absolutely.
It looks like it has.
All right, here we go.
Fine. It's fine.
Should I get an Insta flat fix thing in there? That's
fine.
I'm gonna go get a Coke. What do you think it'll peel off, or how do we peel it off? Because we can't lift it. There's a bit of tire dust right there. Good tread on it still. I mean,
Well, what do we do here? We have no tools and no jack. We've got nothing.
I'm gonna get a Coke.
Okay. Well,
Look at
that's
all
part
that
of it.
dust from the tire. Yeah, the more you can get off there, as long as it'll come off.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's just gonna volunteer it. Random. Therefore predictable. That woman just gave me an evil eye. Don't you take me, boy. That was weird. Trying to stare me down in the parking lot of the Speedway. It's weird. Whole world's going to hell, Steve. But thankfully we're safe in this pickup truck. With a candy bar and a big gulp.
Wheels are falling right off.
What are you gonna do, man?
I don't know. We need tar.
Tar. Come on now. Just think positive thoughts. Put it in manifest destiny. Come on, we need a tar. Come on now, we need a tar. The thing is, the trailer doesn't come with a spare.
Yeah,
Intriguing. Yeah, it's intriguing. Unfortunate. We got the speed rated one this time. He said that's safe to 173 miles an hour. Hell, the truck will slow us down before that will. I have a feeling we'll get home before we left. Well, Steve and I lost a lot of time, so we took a side road so we could go even slower.
Yeah.
And we saw a yard sale that had some car parts.
Yeah, yard sales with car parts. You gotta stop.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do. I mean, we got a new tire now.
Yeah. Brand new.
We're flexing.
It actually looked like there was parking across the street from the garage sale. Too.
Let's do it.
We're
In 3/4 of
good.
a mile, turn left onto Rawls Avenue.
She's insistent.
We're not doing anything you say, lady.
This has been. I thought this video was going to be boring, Steve, but we didn't almost die, but we could have had we chosen. Oh, okay, there's tires over there. There's. Okay. Let's see what they have. This guy right here is probably trying to get the stuff before we are.
Well, we have guns.
Got some rallies and carburetors and Marlboro signs, all kinds of stuff. We're not too proud to buy just about anything. Holy crap, we made it back to Steve's. Got all the stuff out of the back. Got a 72 pin Palio here. It was an eventful ride. Look at that dome light coming on. Pretty cool. Now, next journey, heading probably to a hotel for the night. And then going to see my mama tomorrow. I don't know if you can see in there. Nope, you cannot. Not at all. There's about 174,000 carburetors. But we're ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get going.